Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is our Posture Superbe Mattress. The Posture Superbe Mattress is from our King Koil collection and is available in 4 sizes: a 4 foot, a 4'6", a 5 foot and a 6 foot. It features flex edge border supports which provides reinforced edge-to-edge support. This eliminates side sagging and is the perfect choice for side sleepers. The Posture Superbe also has a centered third reinforcement which provides extra support in the center section of the mattress. This mattress has 1,200 full pocket springs combined with a micro quilted finish which offers you advanced comfort and support, allowing you to experience the ultimate comfort in a night's sleep. The Posture Superbe mattress is also endorsed by the International Chiropractic Association as being good for your posture. The mattress is topped with layers of upholstery for firm, even support. This is a non-turn mattress that needs to be rotated regularly. It also comes with a 10-year warranty. Look after your posture while you sleep with the Posture Superbe mattress by adding to cart here or by visiting one of our stores.